Sa lahat ng pranksters, food vloggers, travel vloggers, motovloggers, comedians, or should I say, influence. And sa grade 6 teacher ko na tinawag akong impacto at kahit kailan hindi ako magiging mabuting halimbawa sa iba. Pranksters. Kung scripted and copyright, pwede ba mag-effort naman kayo kahit 3% to change the narrative? And please, respect your missus. Unless why? Travel vloggers. Mag-i-English ako because these people are foreigners. If you guys planning of going here in the Philippines, please, don't limit yourselves going just to Tondo and BGC Taguig. You should visit Bagong Bar. We have the worst and the best at the same time. The worst alleyways and the best experience if you make it out alive. But you'll never know. Food vloggers. Pag di masarap, sabihin mo, inakalalo pag malayo. Anyways, taste is subject. Motovloggers na puro babae ang content. Anong conclusion sa dulo? Libang. Comedians, para makapagpatawa nilahit yung pagkatao. Body shaming, bulol, pandak, bungi, lamok. Diyan ka ba matatandaan? Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang sistema sa tinatawag nating content. Brainstorming, shooting, editing, etc. Fantasy natin to eh. Pero okay lang ba haluan nyo naman ng konting respeto at dignidad? Hindi ako professional teacher or whatsoever for some goddamn life lessons. Naniniwala pa din ako na laging merong character development. Eka nga eh. If you're doing this just for money and fame, you're doing it wrong. Lastly, don't forget to shoutout nga pala kay Abigail Lozano, Arvin Elga, Say Jury Olive Nash Dantes, Ivon Casuno, Joros Franz Bunuan Salanggi, Syra Jean Gaborni Pineda, Luigi Mendoza, Rox Vinil Buchay Dantes, and Mama Sad. Kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang dami ng sinoutout ko sa vlog na to kasi sa susunod na vlog, mamimili na lang ako ng dalawang isa-shoutout. And kung gusto nyong ma-shoutout, just comment down below #JackImpacto.